Do you notice that your head, neck, or jaw pain increases as the temperature drops outside, or if your inside environment is too cold or breezy? In this video, I'm going to teach you why this happens and give you some practical advice about what you can do about it. At the end, I'll tell you how to get a free training video to learn self-massage at home for your jaw. I'm Katie Podoretsky, a massage therapist, and I specialize in head, neck, and jaw pain. I love talking about self-treatment so much that I created a video course about this topic at helpheadpain.com. In order to understand how cold impacts muscles, we first have to understand what trigger points in muscles are. Trigger points are localized areas within muscle bellies or attachments which, when sufficiently provoked, produce a referral pattern to a target zone. The pattern may include pain, tingling, numbness, itching, or other sensations. Trigger points can restrict movement or cause muscle weakness. When you hear the phrase sufficiently provoke, you could think make the muscles mad or piss it off. Cold breezes are an easy way and a quick way to piss off muscles and provoke trigger points. This could be outside cold temperatures or inside in the summer with an air conditioner breeze on your neck. Once the cold breeze hits the neck, the upper traps will tighten up and elevate the shoulders. Other neck muscles will contract and you'll look like a turtle hiding in its shell. In the area of the jaw closer muscles will tighten up and you might find yourself clenching your teeth. Now that those trigger points have been activated, they'll give their referral pains. Depending on which muscle it is, you may feel it in your neck, head, ears, teeth, or sinus areas. I mentioned trigger points may restrict movement because it puts the muscle in a shortened position. You may find opening your jaw more limited or stiff in the neck range of motion. We could even get the trickle-down effect that the muscles have either directly compressed a nerve or by going into that turtleneck position, the bones now compress the nerves or the discs, allowing them to join in with some of their own pain. All this pain sucks. So let's talk about some easy actions to take. The key is to have some foresight and plan ahead. Your obvious actions to take could be wearing layers or a winter scarf when the weather is cold or breezy. The temporalis muscle is located on the scalp and is one of the jaw closer and clincher muscles. So, wearing a warm hat or at least a ball cap can help break those cold breezes. Be prepared when going to a movie theater or watching a play. Those places are known to be chilly and you're not moving to stay warm. At work, you can't always control where you sit or the air conditioning level. So have a fashion scarf, sweatshirt, or cardigan that you keep at your office. At home, you can make sure the AC vent isn't blowing on the back of your neck or your face. Be sure to check your home office and your couch area. If you need to quickly warm up your jaw muscles, I'd suggest using the Cool Jaw Wrap. It can be warmed in the microwave and is a hands-free application. I'll have a link to that product below this video. One easy way to deactivate trigger points is with self-massage. I want to get you started on self-massage and stretching for the masseter muscle as soon as possible. So sign up for a free training video from this place on helpheadpain.com. Follow along and connect with me from any of my online platforms. Thanks for joining me and be sure to stay warm.